Hello, everyone. In the last class, we learned about pineapple forcing techniques. Knowing that during pineapple cultivation, flower forcing is a crucial step. It can improve the quality and yield of pineapple varieties and generate better economic returns. This class, we will study pineapple storage and processing. Among the pineapple fruits, Cayenne is relatively large, while Queen is smaller. Its fruit shapes include barrel-shaped, conical, and cylindrical. The flesh color varies by variety, ranging from deep yellow, light yellow to pale yellow-white. The flesh texture, fiber content, juice content, and aroma intensity all significantly affect its suitability for processing, fresh consumption, and storage. Due to its unique flavor, pineapples processed into canned products can retain their original color, aroma, and taste. Thus, fresh pineapples and their processed products have a notable presence in the international market. First, let's look at the nutritional value of pineapple. Pineapple contains a substance called bromelain, which can break down proteins, dissolve fibrin and blood clots in tissues, improve local blood circulation, and reduce inflammation and edema. The sugars, salts, and enzymes in pineapple have diuretic effects, which can benefit patients with nephritis or hypertension. Pineapple has a sweet and neutral nature. It aids digestion, strengthens the spleen, stops diarrhea, clears the stomach, and quenches thirst. According to the Compendium of Materia Medica, it strengthens spleen energy, stabilizes vital energy, suppresses excessive yaw, and supports weak soil. It revitalizes spirit, boosts energy, alleviates bloating, dissolves phlegm, and detoxifies alcohol. It also relieves post-drinking thirst, benefits the eyes and head, and lifts the spirit to enhance mental clarity. Like mangoes and bananas, pineapples are sensitive to low temperatures. However, unlike them, pineapples are non-climacteric fruits, with no significant ripening after harvest. The storability of pineapples is closely related to the maturity at harvest. The more mature the fruit, the less suitable it is for storage. However, underripe fruits are hard and crisp, lacking the typical pineapple flavor. The optimal storage condition for pineapples is around 10 degrees Celsius, with a relative humidity of 85% to 95%. Under these conditions, depending on the variety, the storage period can reach 2 to 4 weeks. Storing under controlled atmosphere conditions, at 7 degrees Celsius, with 2% oxygen, can inhibit mold growth, improve fruit appearance, and achieve better preservation. Common diseases during pineapple storage and transport include black rot, fruitlet black rot, and black heart disease. The most common is black rot, which typically starts at the cut end of the stem. Initially, dark brown water-soaked soft spots appear on the peel. These are clearly demarcated from healthy tissue. The infected tissue gradually breaks down, turns black, and emits a distinctive odor. In the later stages, infected fruit exudes large amounts of fluid. Control measures include 3 aspects. During harvest and storage, minimize mechanical injury and remove damaged fruits promptly. After harvest, soak the fruit in 1000 mg per liter thiabendazole solution for 5 minutes. This is quite effective. Soaking the stem base in 10% benzoic acid alcohol solution or 1000 mg per liter imazolol solution can also control black rot. Strengthen field management. In addition, there is also a disease called fruitlet black rot. It mainly affects mature fruits. Externally, infected fruitlets appear normal. No symptoms can be seen. But when cut open, the infected core turns brown or develops black lesions. The affected tissues become slightly dry and hardened, and usually do not spread to adjacent healthy tissue. In other cases, when the diseased fruit is cut open, the area near the core turns dark and water-soaked, and later turns black. After moisturizing, dark green mold-like growth appears. The exact cause and disease progression remain unclear. But wounds during harvest and storage increase its occurrence. We can avoid mechanical injury during transport and remove diseased fruits to prevent spread during storage. When pineapples are transported northward from southern regions, a physiological disorder often occurs. Black heart, which mainly affects fruits harvested in autumn and winter. There are no obvious symptoms on the surface. But when cut open, the flesh near the core turns brown, or even black, hence also called internal browning disease. Black heart can occur before or after harvest, and during storage or sales. In fruits harvested in autumn and winter, the incidence of black heart can reach 10% to 20%. Sometimes it also occurs in summer harvested fruits. The cause is mainly considered to be chilling injury due to low temperature. Additionally, gibberellin may also induce black heart in summer harvested fruits. Have you heard of controlled atmosphere, VAR, storage? It involves adjusting and controlling the gas composition of the storage environment, as well as the temperature and humidity, to extend the shelf life of food and its storage period. Within a sealed system, various methods are used to generate gas compositions different from normal air, which inhibit physiological and biochemical reactions leading to spoilage, or suppress microbial activity affecting food quality. Currently, two main SAR methods are commonly used in China. One is TAR cold storage, where the gas environment is manually regulated in cold storage to preserve fresh fruits. TAR cold storage requires precise control of gas composition for different fruit types, as well as strict temperature and humidity control. The combination of TAR and low temperature, compared with regular refrigeration, can result in better preservation of color, firmness, etc., and can significantly extend shelf life. The other is plastic film bag TAR storage, also called TAR packaging, where food is stored in packaging with specific gas composition based on its physiological characteristics and preservation needs to extend its freshness. It's widely used in fresh fruits and vegetables, growing at a rate of 20% annually. Combining TAR packaging with cold storage produces effects comparable to TAR cold storage. For pineapples, suitable TAR methods include plastic bag packaging or paraffin wax sealing. The specific method is: 1. Harvest when the fruit skin is still green. Soak in 0.2% sodium metabisulfite solution after harvest. After drying, pack selected fruits in film-lined boxes or baskets. Line the bottom and sides with straw paper. Once the fruits are packed, cover the top layer with straw paper. Then seal the bag. 2. When the fruit is 70 to 80% ripe, harvest without causing injury to the fruit. After pre-cooling, immerse them in melted and slightly cooled wax. Remove once the upper fruitlets are submerged, so the surface is evenly coated with a thin wax layer. Pineapples treated with either method should be stored at 7 to 10 degrees Celsius and 85% to 90% RH. Alright everyone. Now that you understand pineapple storage, let's learn about pineapple processing techniques. Like most fruits, pineapple is primarily consumed fresh. Only 30% is used for processing, and most of that is primary processing. Sichuan County in Zhejiang, Guangdong, a major pineapple producing region, has nearly 300,000 mu of pineapple fields, producing over 400,000 tons annually, accounting for 1/3 of the national output, so it's known as China's pineapple capital. It has developed mature technologies for pineapple processing and utilization. What pineapple products are available? Concentrated juice, dried pineapple, canned pineapple. Now, let's take canned pineapple as an example to explain the processing technique for canned pineapple in syrup. As living standards improve, domestic demand is rising. Canned pineapple is becoming more popular. Sales are increasing, with a strong market. In 2015, China's canned pineapple market size was 475 million yuan. By 2022, it grew to 1.661 billion yuan. In terms of supply and demand, in 2022, production and demand were 78,700 and 101,300 tons, respectively. The production process of canned pineapple in syrup includes three main parts: raw material handling, canning, and sterilization. There are 12 steps in total: selection, grading, cutting ends, peeling, coring, trimming, slicing, sorting, canning, syrup filling, pre-sealing, exhausting, sealing, sterilization, cooling. During raw material selection, overripe or diseased fruits are removed to ensure product quality. High temperature, atmospheric steam is used for sterilization. During the syrup pineapple canning process, common issues include failure to leave headspace, which causes can swelling, and over-sterilization affecting taste and quality. Alright, class. Please complete the summary exercises after class.